Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. What's going on, guys? My name is Henry and welcome back to another video. Well, look what we have here. This just came in the mail today. The 2019 27-inch 5K iMac. Boy, this puppy's way bigger than I thought. Anyway, so today's video I'm going to be unboxing this and also showing you how to install your own RAM so you don't pay Apple hundreds of dollars just to put in RAM when you can do it yourself. So, let's get right into the video. First things first, Apple so nicely includes a nice little tab for you to easily open up the box. So, satisfaction, here we come. Satisfaction! Alright, time to open this puppy up. Here we go. Where do I start? So right on top of the box, you've got here accessories. I'm guessing there's nothing else in here, so I'm guessing the keyboard's in here and the mouse, but I did get the extended keyboard with the Magic Trackpad, so we'll double check to make sure that that's in there. Alright, now for the big boy. Okay, we gotta get this foam off. Ooh. Oh yeah. I want to save this because I'll be moving soon. I'm gonna have to package this back up, so gotta make sure I save this and keep it intact. Let's slide this thing out of here. Oh man, I don't even know where to start. And then now we'll take off this. Now if you guys are unboxing your 2019 iMac, make sure you don't throw away the pieces, because on this piece right here on the left side of the Mac contains your power cable. So, want to make sure before you toss out any of the styrofoam, if you're tossing it out, want to make sure you grab your power cable. Just like that. Wow, okay. This is a beaut. Let's go ahead and clear this up. Alright, so now that we got this all cleared up, before we even get into all of this, I'm going to go ahead and check out the accessories. Obviously, we've got the power cable. We've also got a nice little accessory box, so let's see what came in here. It says, designed by Apple in California. I did get the extended keyboard with the numerical pad, and the Magic Trackpad also is in there too. So that is super nice. It's super thin too. Barely has a profile. Apple also gives us a charging cable, some accessories, other things in here. Here's the Magic Trackpad. Anyway, let's get into what you guys really wanted to see, the actual computer itself. Alright, so before we turn this thing on, we're going to go ahead and install the RAM. So what you want to do is go ahead and get a nice little soft cloth or towel so you can lay the screen face down. We'll go ahead and take off the wrapping on it so we can reach the back access port. Alright, so let me go ahead and swing the camera around here so you guys can see what I'm doing to install the RAM. Alright, so to start off for the RAM, you want to go ahead and get your SODIMM RAM. I got some 16 gigabytes of crucial 66 megahertz DDR4 RAM. I talked about it in my last video. So what we're going to do is go ahead and install this. So the first thing you need is to grab something and go ahead and open up the compartment back here. And as you can see, it pops right open. So what you want to do is just go ahead and lift off this casing. And voila! It reveals the RAM. So there's going to be two little panels here. So this is going to reveal two little sections. What you want to do is go ahead and pull those tabs out and let it lift itself up. And now you want to go ahead and take your RAM and go ahead and install it. So I got 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I should be getting 24 gigabytes after installing this RAM. There's only one way it'll go. You want to match the notch on the bottom of the RAM with the notch inside of the computer. Then just go ahead and push down, and it'll lock right into place. And then do the same with the other. There you go. You can keep the other RAM in there. So I added 16 to the 8 gigabytes that the computer comes with. So I'll be having 24 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. And now all you want to do is go ahead and push the tabs back down. Perfect. And then it'll just go right down. And now you want to take the top and just snap it back in place. And voila, we're finished. Alright guys, so now that we got the RAM installed, we can go ahead and power this bad boy on. But first, let's take off the protective plastic. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on and make sure we got 24 gigs of RAM. Getting power about this Mac. Look at that. 24 gigs of RAM. Anyway guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and set up the rest of everything and get my desk all nice and tidied up and clean up this large mess that I have over there. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe, please. I need one more subscriber to hit 80 subscribers, and that would be amazing if you would please subscribe. Also, let me know what you guys think of the iMac. I'm going to have another video dropping soon about benchmarking and how the base model iMac does for video editing. I know everyone's doing videos on the i9 with 8 cores and everything like that. Well, I haven't seen a single one on the base model, so let's go ahead and see how the base model pairs for a video editor if you're on a budget. I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up, and I'm going to edit this video on this computer after I get all my applications put on there. So, make sure you guys stay classy. Peace out.